Well, I was looking at comments the other day, and the request for a mini bike walk around overwhelmed all the other comments, so I thought it's about time I give you guys just that. Alright, let's start with the engine. It's a 5.5 horsepower. I got it from Princess Auto for around $100. I guess the American equivalent, I think, is Harbor Freight. You can correct me if I'm wrong. And on the drive shaft there's a centrifugal clutch. We have 35 chain. Coming back to the jack shaft, reduction shaft. And then it gears down, more 35 chain to, it's about, I don't know the exact number of teeth, 70 teeth, around there. And this was interesting because there really wasn't anything to attach the whole sprocket onto on this wheel. It had to get a cylinder, you can kind of see it right here. And then I had to weld that to the inside of the wheel, in the wheel well, so it stuck out a little bit, so I had some room for the sprocket. These tires are 15 inches in diameter and 6 inches wide. Then I had to find a way to get the exhaust to fit, or the engine to fit in the frame I made. Because on most of these engines, the exhaust, there's a kind of a muffler here, and it was just way too big to fit in here. So I took that part off, and then I had to make my own exhaust pipe. So I did what any good person would do, and I got an old chair from the high school I was at the time. Cut the leg off, free exhaust pipe right here. Makes a nice sound too. I put the header tape on a little bit later after I burned myself pretty good. You can see it melts the seat if it gets too close. So it's a bit of a warm ride. And then for the seat, oops, it's a little close. Some very simple pieces of plate, and then actually wood screws holding it on. Okay, I spun it around. Here's my other bike. So once again, the frame didn't really allow for the gas tank to fit on normally, so I had to take that off and extend the hose a little bit, and I just bolted it, or threaded some holes on either side, bolted it down. I think it looks pretty cool. I had to modify the frame a little bit to make way for the air filter. Okay, here's the other side of the reduction shaft. I just got a disc brake. I machined on the lathe some calipers from an old snowmobile. It's just mechanical, it's not hydraulic. Another simple mount. I'm good at simple mounts. And on the front there's the 13-inch wheel. All the stuff I get at Princess Auto. I mean, it's and then I have my throttle. I couldn't find a twist grip at the time, so I just chopped it off of an old pedal bike. That runs down to here. Runs a bit back further. Then on the other side of the bars we have the brake. Made that. Nice shadow. the triple trees. Holding steering on, holding the handles on. Okay, that about does it for this walk around. If you have any questions or comments, take full advantage of the comment section below, and if you want to see the bike in action, just click the link I have supplied.